Yo, what's going on YouTube? EV Trades over here. Straight to the point, man. I lost literally everything. Um, I was trading CPI, and my strategy basically is okay. 929 candle, 30 points above. I'll just go for a 50, and I tried to do that to pass my Apex accounts. I got blown out. I tried doing that to also pass my Traderfies, blown out. Traderfi growth, and the worst out of all of them, my top steps funded. I had 500K accounts. I was up like 3.2K. I needed 2 more days to get a payout, and I wanted to get CPI to get the max payout because CPI has been consistent. I backtested it a lot, and it was super consistent. A lot of a strong volume in towards one direction. Just this time, it just wasn't there, and I got cooked. So I'm gonna just show you guys the footage right here. As you guys can see, boom, I have my thing set up. For some reason, on my top steps, I couldn't put a buy under, but I was like, I'm not tripping because most times what CPI does is that it doesn't just do a full wick and then come back down. Within that minute, it will at least like close up, like close higher in its direction. And then if it wants to come down, it'll come down on the second candle. So I'll be able to like just close it quickly, go break even at least, right? So I'm okay, cool. So I wasn't tripping about the sell, but I was more so like it's most likely gonna go up because I see the few like what CPI does normally is both the few candles. If it's upwards towards the direction, and you see the draws right over here, right? So I'm okay. Let's go. Most likely it's gonna be up. So I have my thing. A few seconds about to go. Bang. Goes all the way up. I'm like, okay. What's going on? I'm up 6.7K, right? Cool. And I'm just kind of waiting for that little push at the top over here. So I'm like, alright, whatever. I'm not tripping. You'll see how it made that wick right over here. So that means price was up here, wick all the way down here. And then those few seconds of that pause. So I would have already been out. Let's keep watching. Look at me. I'm just hesitating because I'm like, what's price trying to do? You see? But I was basically already out. And boom, I got out. I'm in disbelief. I can't even click the button. I'm like, wow. Everything I worked hard for. I mean, I really had this account for maybe like 5 days. So I'm not really too tripping. But, you know, it's kind of like, damn. Oh, they're gone. I'm just holding it. Yep. Let me scroll through my account and just look at each one of them. Yeah, I'm looking at all of them. And if I show you guys live right now, you know what's so crazy with Top Step? When you pass an account, it will take maybe an hour, 2 hours for it to activate. When you lose, I got the email at 8:30 on the dot, bro. They were not playing. They sent that email out quickly, like, oh yeah, I'm so sorry, it's unfortunate, brother. Go back to the lobby, little bro. They cooked me, bro, but I'm not tripping. I got a 50K combine. I'm gonna just start up from small, because I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of, my pockets are empty right now, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm really not tripping. Apex, blown everything. Gosh, dude, these are just the funded. Woo! Yeah, these are just the uh my evals. Traderfi evals too. And you know what's so crazy? I was probably gonna cop some like funded next or something, try to get a pass. Look at this, bro. Straight red. Gosh, bro. They say it's 100,000 almost with the other accounts. So low, bro. But yeah, that's really about it. I really don't have nothing else to go over. I know that I'm gonna build myself back up, and I definitely still want to go for that max payout. So I'm gonna figure out a way to just get there, you know. But um, yeah, it's definitely something that I want, and this loss is, I just see it as a setback. You know what's crazy? I've taken so many L's to the point where like I'm kind of not fazed by this. I won't lie to you. I'm super not fazed. I'm like, whatever, I'm just gonna restart again. Cause I've had so many, like, you know what's crazy? I had losses that were smaller than this that I freaked out over, and I thought it was the end of the world, you know. So from the fact that like if I can make it back from those losses where I went crazy, and I'm not going crazy over this, like I know that I can make it back and make it even more. If I were to pass that apex and start trading my apex and my tradeify and all of that, like you know what I'm saying? Like I know that I would have really went somewhere. And even on my trade brother, I've been backtesting a lot, like how I would trade if I'm on like apex to kind of like be a lot more consistent and preservative, etc. And I feel like my backtest has been super duper good. It is one of my backtest sections. It's pretty consistent, pretty decent. That's true. I took a big loss over here. And some days just focus on getting a green, but I feel like I did pretty good, decently. So I know with CPI, I know if I were to pass Apex accounts that I would do really good. So I'm super not like phased. I have this 2026, bro. I'm like what Q1 right now. I know for 100% by the end of the year I could literally not even just make 100K, because I'm probably up like maybe like 55 in Canadian though. But I know I could actually have 100K in my account just there by the end of the year, 100%. So I'm not even like phased or nothing at all. But I know I'm gonna do better and I'm gonna come back harder. No Viagra. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy, man. That's really it for today. Um, yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later. I just wanted to give you guys an update, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. See ya.